Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. I wish you a great day, and now I will show you how to free up disk space in Windows 11. So firstly, open the Settings application by clicking the Windows and E key simultaneously. Here, click on the left panel on the System, go to the Storage, and here click on the Temporary Files category. Just wait for the system to scan all these temporary files. And here you can choose the types of temporary files that you don't need on your computer. You better read descriptions of categories of temporary files. For example, I need my downloads temporary files, so I don't choose them to uninstall, but you can choose any other category. And you can see that there is recycle bin category. Maybe you didn't know, but if you just right click and delete any file, it will not be fully deleted from your computer. It will just be removed to the recycle bin folder and will use the disk space here. So you better not forget to free up your disk space and to empty your recycle bin. So here, just choose some temporary files, click remove files, continue, and we will free up some disk space. I personally don't have much of temporary files, but if you haven't freed up disk space of your computer for a long time, it will give you additional few gigabytes maybe. You can see also here the storage sense option. As it is written here, it will allow Windows to automatically free up space, and you can enable this option, but I do not recommend you to do this because you don't know which files the Windows system will delete. So I recommend you to disable this option, but you can do what you prefer. So the second way, the first way was to delete the temporary files. The second way is to go to the installed apps, and here scroll down through this list and search for the unused or suspicious applications. For example, I will choose the Xbox Live. I don't use this app, and if I want to uninstall it, I right click on the three dots and click on the uninstall option here and just follow the instructions, and we will not have this application on our disk. So these were the basic and the default functions in Windows 11 to free up your disk. You can also search for the third-party application in the internet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the most important thing, I once again wish you a great day.